And now, an SPRX 77 and Nova short. SPRX 77! Huh? You have 30 seconds to do the entire African bird alphabet. Seconds? Oh, come on, Nova. 28 seconds. Okay. African gray parrot. Rah! Black-footed penguin. Crown eagle. Duck. Quack, 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 quack. Egret. Flamingo. Goose. Hornbill. Ibis. Toucana. Koi bustard. Lapwing. Madagascar cuckoo. Cuckoo. Northern fiscal. Ostrich. Pelican. Quelea. Rufous rock jumper. Boing. Secondary bird. Turako. Uju fireback sunbird. Vulture woodpecker. Xavier's rainbow. An African bird that starts with X. Yellow stork. Zanzibar red bishop. I did it. Nice job on the alphabets, SPRX 77. Nice job indeed. Oof.